Okay, so we're going to transition now to talking about a really famous ratio. We're going to talk about the golden ratio, which is approximately 1.618. Technically, it's the 1 plus the square root of 5 over 2, but it's approximately 1.618. And why do we care about the golden ratio? Well, because it appears a whole lot in nature, like naturally. And it's also considered to be pleasing to the human eye. It's what's called aesthetically pleasing. And so it's been around forever. It was used in a lot of places. And then there's this thing called the golden rectangle, which is like there's a bunch of golden shapes. And how they work is when you have one side, for example, this side is 21, and you have another side of that shape, for example, this is 34, and you write the length to the width ratio, so 34 divided by 21. So 34 divided by 21 here, that's not exactly 1.618, but it's darn close. So it approximates the golden ratio. So we would say that this rectangle here is aesthetically pleasing. We all tend to agree that that's a nice little rectangle there. So what we're going to do real quick, we're going to watch a video on the golden ratio. It's not that one. Well, okay. Okay, so kind of creepy music, but that was kind of cool that it was created based on the golden ratio. So we'll pause this video and we'll pick up in the next video where we'll talk about extended ratios.